This video covers the stages in the delivery of your service from sale to activation. On its way from sale to activation, your order will travel through 4 distinct stages: confirm, design, build and test, and activate. Each stage lays the foundation for the next and ensures we address every detail before your order moves forward. Stage 1 is confirm. This is where we contact you to provide and confirm the terms of your order, pricing, order details, technical details, location preparation information, and your essential team members, including your primary customer contact, technical customer contact, and your local customer contact. We will also gather any additional details needed for your order. This stage helps ensure accurate and timely delivery of your service. Stage 2 is design. This is when we design your order and provide you with its general time frame. Since each installation is unique, so are their timelines. You will be given more information about your expected time frame once all dependencies are determined. In some cases, a site survey may be necessary. The local customer contact will partner with Lumen and, if applicable, the third-party network provider to grant access and walk them through the building. Stage 3 is build and test. This stage includes building, configuring, and testing your network connectivity. If equipment is needed, it will either be shipped to you directly or delivered by an engineer. Keep in mind, equipment may be shipped to you by someone other than Lumen. Once received, please keep all equipment in a secure location until a Lumen engineer or another vendor arrives to install and test your service. Stage 4 is activate. If your service is plug and play, these services are designed for you to self-activate when you are ready to get you up and running quickly. If you experience any issues while activating your new service, our global customer support team is here to help. For assistance, go to lumen.com and use our Click to Chat. For services that need a coordinated activation, they will be scheduled with Lumen support. For support with your existing services, our service assurance team works to manage and execute repairs quickly when you create a repair ticket in our Lumen Control Center. Control Center, which is your personalized portal that helps you efficiently manage your account throughout the stages of your order. Its benefits include account maintenance, such as creating and managing tickets, running network diagnostics for repairs, and tracking your orders, in addition to several billing features such as signing up for paperless billing and paying your bills online. Whether you are activating your new service with the global customer support team or you need our service assurance team to assist you with an existing service, we are here to support you. Once your activation is complete, your service is ready to use. Visit our delivery support library to view short, helpful videos and other information to maximize your service delivery experience. These keys to success will help you every step of the way. Thank you for partnering with Lumen.